Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video, and we're finally another crack reassembled Mark 46. This is now with our production version of the EagleSix Mark 46 piston. So yeah, this is it, the final sort of final product, yeah, it's we've got now 5 mags through this. It's still going, which is great. Still kicking. Obviously we're going to pass this through to the customer for obviously longer testing. It's also got the EagleSix bearings inside here as well, so obviously we're going to be stress testing them as well, and all in one package. So obviously we'll hopefully get really good feedback long term for this build, and then we'll be able to obviously sell everyone you know, the bearings and the piston going forward. So yeah, obviously we realise there's not a huge amount of these in the world, but at least now that's those two supported, and we can now obviously, or gun techs can obviously potentially push these a little bit further now, knowing that obviously there's replacements available for the piston. Previously you had to be really obviously careful about what you do, but now that there's more spares available, we'll be able to push a few more boundaries, which is really cool. So, there we go. So box mag number 6. So it's going good. So it's already 6,000 rounds. That's really good. I mean, obviously, you know, 50 is the real test or whatever, but yeah, I've already rinsed a crap load of BBs, like at least a couple of tubs through this thing, and it's yeah, it's now time to go back to the customer, use your BBs instead of mine, and yeah, I'm really happy with this product. You know, it's I mean, in terms of difficulty, I mean, there's no other gun that uses a 600 gram recoil weight that's being pulled back along with you know, the spring that's in there as well. I mean, I suppose you could say that like a 500 FPS build on full auto would obviously be stressing out more than this 350 FPS build, but obviously those guns don't have a 600 gram recoil weight to pull back, you know, putting even more stress on the piston. You know, so it's yeah, it's one of the tougher ones to build a piston for, and obviously the fact that the piston's still going is just really great, and obviously opens up the world to potentially other pistons going down the line, which is really exciting stuff, you know, so that we're able to do that. So I'm really happy with it, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.